Yes, it's time for another unboxing. Picture. And here we have Trials, Fusion, Avesome, Max Edition. Looking very forward to this game. It looks very difficult, but yeah, let's see how it is. It's a racing game. It's a trick racing game. You are driving on very challenging tracks. So this is going to be a very challenging game to play. Then Rayman Legends, which I have also on PlayStation 3. So I know that this game is brilliant. This is one of the best platform games I have played. It's very challenging. It's had some very hard bosses and also some hard levels. So looking very forward to play this one again. I have played it maybe I'm not sure it was this one or the Origins one, but I think it was maybe this one that I played 2 times, or was it Origins? Maybe it was Origins, but that one is only on PlayStation 3, so really looking forward to this one, and I will have upload some videos me playing this later. So, and then Gianna Sisters Twisted Dreams Director's Cut. This game was on Atari and Commodore 64 back in the days, I guess. So, and I was searching for platform games for PlayStation 4, and when I did search, I saw this game and I thought it looks very interesting and very fun to play. So, and at the price I couldn't, it was only £20. It was £20 for all of these games, I think. One of them was £80, or you can say. But I'm really looking forward to this one as well. And then the last, but not least, we have another platform game, and that's Shovel Knight. And that's nostalgic platform game. It has 8 bits graphics with vibrant graphics and pitch perfect gameplay. Shovel Knight breaks new ground in this 8-bit adventure. Become Shovel Knight, wielder of the shovel blade, as he runs, jumps, and battles in a quest for his lost beloved. I think this is gonna be a very great game to play. I love these nostalgic games as well. So, and I have read it a lot and watched some videos of this one as well. So, pretty sure I like it. So yeah, that's my game update. It will be more game updates and movie updates from now on, I think. It will not be a game update in a while now, but next time it will probably be a game update as well, and TV series update. Movie updates will not happen from now on, I guess, because I'm not that into movies at the moment. So, and I'm more into games and TV series. So yeah, that was my update. You can see the games here: Trials, Fusion, Rayman Legends, and Gihanna Sisters Twisted Dreams Director's Cut, and Shovel Knight. So yeah, until next time, take care, see you soon.